First up, news on cricket, where West Indies all-rounder Rovman Powell will lead the Jamaica Scorpions in the upcoming Regional Super 50 tournament set for November 6 to December 1 in St. Kitts and Nevis, as well as in Trinidad and Tobago.
The Old Harbour native has had short stints as captain of the West Indies one-day team and the Jamaica Tallawahs. But he has now been given the full-time role for the Jamaica Scorpions, replacing Nikita Miller. Powell, who has played 34 ODIs for the Windies and 73 list day matches, understands the privilege he has of leading his country.
I'm feeling elated, to be given the opportunity to lead my country is definitely an honor, something that I'll take very serious.
The all-rounder is confident the team can do damage in the month-long tournament, even though they will face the likes of title holders, combined campuses and colleges in the group stage.
It's been a while the franchise or Jamaica haven't tasted victory in either 40 or 50 over cricket within the Caribbean. So it's definitely something that we need to look on. And I think we have the depth in the team. Previous years we went to the finals, and last year we went to the semi-finals. So probably maybe just now this year is the time for us to go one step further and lift that title.
And there are a few players that Powell expects to sting for the Scorpions as they look to break a 7-year title drought.
I think you have some of the usual performers for Jamaica that will stand out. But I think Marquino mainly, young pace bowler, he's trumping at the bit. He wants to do well. Also in the batting department, I think Aldi and Thomas, as another youngster in the team, he wants to do well, especially at 50 over cricket for Jamaica. So I'm definitely, apart from the senior guys, the guys who normally do well, I'm backing those two to come to the party.
Powell was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Friday. The Scorpions are set to open their account on November 7 against the Barbados Pride at Warner Park in St. Kitts. Daniel Blake, TVJ Sports.